Good afternoon, class 8th, subject science, chapter 3rd, synthetic fibers and plastic. Plastics can be made as hard as stone, as transparent as glass, as light as wood, and as elastic as rubber. They are resistant to moisture and decaying. Different kinds of plastic are made by using crude oil, natural gas, limestone, and salt. Types of arrange different arrangement, linear arrangement and cross-link arrangement. In some types of linear arrangement, and whereas some plastics cross-links arrangement. All plastic do not have the same type of arrangement of unit plastic a part of everyday life, like chair, plates, spoons, sieve, etc. Polythene. Polythene is an example of a plastic. It is used for making commonly used polythene bags. Types of plastic. There are two types of plastic: thermoset plastic and thermoplastic. Thermoset plastics. Thermosets are hard. The polymer are joined by strong crossed link which do not break on heating. Third, they do not melt and can be shaped only once. For example, electrical switches, electric plugs, sockets, etc. Thermosets cannot be recycled. Bakelite and melamine are such plastics. Thermoplastics are made up of polymer chains that are kept together by weak forces which are easily destroyed by heat. They melt on heating. They can be recycled and molded into any shape one wants. Polythene is a thermoplastic. Difference between thermoset and thermoplastic. Thermoplastic. First, thermosets. It is very hard. Thermoplastic, it's not very hard. Thermosets do not melt on heating. Thermoplastic melt on heating. Are not recycled. Thermoplastic can be recycled. Thermoset can be shaped only once. Thermoplastic can be molded into any shape a number of times. Next, properties of plastic. Properties of plastic. Plastic are non-reactive. Thermoplastics such as rigid PVC यानी polyvinyl chloride do not react with air and water. Next, plastic are light, strong and durable. Plastics are used to make a number of household objects such as buckets. They are also used in the manufacture of cars, spacecraft and aircraft. Durable and quality of pipes. Pipes are made from plastic. Plastic is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Electricity wires have a Plastics covering bakelite, a thermoset plastic is a poor conductor of heat, electricity. Uses of plastic. Plastic play an important role in our lives. Plastic are used in making parts of computers, phone, toys, television, pens, bottles, toothbrushes, and to packaging milk and other food items. Plastic are also used to make optical lenses, furniture, medical equipment, and electrical appliances. Plastic are plastics, motor parts, vehicles, etc. Uses of the plastic. Plastics and environment. Things such as paper, cotton, and wool are biodegradable. They decay quickly as microorganisms break them down into simple substance. However, microorganisms cannot break down plastic. They are non-biodegradable. They take several million years to degenerate. Plastics have wide uses. They create a huge amount of waste and their disposal is a challenge. Plastic bags thrown in the open is a common sight. Plastics pollute soil and water bodies, including oceans. On burning plastic release poisonous gases into air. Plastic waste harm the environment. Other hand, plastics have reduced our dependence on wood. Many things which were earlier made from wood are now made from plastic. Furnitures, doors, and windows are such household items. By reducing the use of wood, plastics helps us conserve trees and nature. Thank you.